Good morning, folks. It's another beautiful day. Very windy though. Today I'm going down Reabrook Valley Nature Reserve or Nature Park here in Shrewsbury. Join me on another adventure. So you can probably hear all that noise in the background. The local town council cutting the trees, trimming them up, ready for the touristy season. So we're on a path that leads into the distance. We're actually going to explore the wildlife park here, and there's a few tunnels and eventually lead into a supermarket. There's some damage from the 70-mile-per-hour winds from the other day. Not good. The moon is out in the daytime. So walking along, public footpath, Shropshire Council, beautiful blue skies, a chair to sit on, Rowland Hill watching over Shrewsbury, and a tyre washed up by recent flooding. 2 tunnels ahead, sign in the distance. Welcome to Reabrook Valley Local Nature Reserve. Look out for the kingfisher and look out for the yellow rattleflower. Here we are, walking through a tunnel that goes under the road. As you can see, is that graffiti or is it artwork? I think it was artwork originally, painted by the Wildlife Trust. I think there's a fox just down here on the right hand side. You can see that they painted, but of course it's all been washed away due to the flooding. So yeah, there's the fox, look, on the right hand sine. So yeah, that's a shame, but that's what flooding does. Through a gap in the fence there's a seat, and then there's a tunnel with the Reabrook flowing through it down towards the River Severn. Shrewsbury was known as Scrubsbury. It was very marshy land hundreds of years ago until they drained it away. And this is probably from that time. And as you can see, there is more flood damage, lots of silt on the riverbank from recent flooding. Well, the sirens are going off. A pipe. And back out of the pipe. Yeah, I think it drains off from that marshes over there, maybe. Looking down the Reabrook. Bit of a zoom, bit of a pan. Oh, a bridge. Now, I've not seen this bridge before, so let's go in and have a look inside. Yeah, it looks a bit soggy and muddy in here, but I'll attempt to get through to the other side. It's a bit dark and dank in here. It's not the best of surfaces to be walking on. I can smell something, and I think it's less undisturbed. I think it's time to turn around and head out rather quickly. Yeah, it smelt of something fruity, let's just say that. Anyway, let's get out of here. Yeah, don't advise people walking through here. They must have, because there's no other way to get over there. So it's quite an isolated spot, so that's probably the reason why. Maybe they're fishing or something, I don't know, but it did smell rather fruity. So looking across, the path goes on, and therefore I'm going to go on down the path. It's a lovely day anyway. So approaching the gate. I think this is coming up to the other smaller tunnel that also goes under a road, I think. Just the other side of this gate. It's a nice walk. I recommend anybody doing it on a nice day. A building site. There's more houses, more properties going up every day in this town. Oh, damaged wall. There we are, the other tunnel. I think goes under a road again. This one's a lot smaller than the others. Plenty of puddles to dodge. Definitely graffiti on this. So dodge that puddle there. Oh, pipe over my head here. Lots of graffiti. It looks a mess really, doesn't it? You know, but I suppose Shrewsbury's turning into a larger, more urban town these days. And sadly, this is society today. They've even sprayed a green dot on this tree. Well, tree stump. Not sure if the tree's even alive anymore. Probably not. It's been cut down. Maybe it's marked to be cut. A keypad. Very secure. So we're heading towards the supermarket Asda, and first up will be Cineworld down this path. But, so yeah, it does kind of end pretty soon. But I said Reabrook Walk, it's a nice walk. I mean, this is only the one side of the walk, but so I will walk the other direction from where I started on another day for another video. So, walking down here, sort of alongside the main road as you walk along here, but it's a nice walk. Yeah. That chirping up in that tree as we approach the cinema. You'll see loads of graffiti all over the rear wall, and oh, what does that say? Lucifer. Is that like a hint at Hollywood? Say that Lucifer runs Hollywood, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? That's what people say, you know. There's a lot of evil in Hollywood. Right, yeah, as we look, go for the gate. Look, it's just a mess, isn't it, really? You know, people just randomly scribbling signatures on a wall, and it just doesn't look great. I mean, in some cities it looks great, but this is just look really awful. Maybe that one with the silver spray is okay, but yeah, no, it's not great. So we walk along, and soon we'll be, well, we're now heading towards Asda. Another seat, and they've even graffitied the seat, look. Terrible. So it's good, I think, the way that they've actually fit a nature reserve actually inside a town. It's not on the outskirts, it's totally enclosed within the town of Shrewsbury. Surprised I've not seen that many dog walkers today, but I think there's one now. A little old lady with her dog. Yeah, not seen many dog walkers at all today on my travels. It's normally full. I came down here on Christmas Day and it was chock-a-block full of people walking their dogs. I said it's nice to have somewhere to go, somewhere reasonably peaceful and quiet within a town itself. So, you know, people in Shrewsbury should be privileged that they've got this green space actually inside their town boundary. Ah, a nest. So as you can see, they've obviously painted over this wall along here, but still the graffiti pops back up. I think people should be fined really for it, but it's catching them in the act, I suppose. Anyway, I think that's going to conclude the video now. We're walking alongside the Reabrook. There's the local Asda. There's your pay and collection point. And I guess it's see you in the next video. Number 88, Lifebuoy Station. Yep, they do have those scattered around. Anyway, until next time, goodbye.